In this video, I'll show you how to fix a blurry screen on your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're watching cable, streaming, or gaming, here are 5 easy methods to get a clear picture. Let's get started. Method 1. Set picture mode to standard or movie. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings Picture mode. Select standard or movie instead of dynamic or eco. These modes offer the best balance of sharpness and contrast. Method 2. Adjust picture clarity settings. In Picture Settings, go to Expert Settings Picture Clarity Settings. Turn off or reduce judder reduction and noise reduction. Too much processing can make the screen look unnatural or blurry. Method 3. Set TV to native resolution. Go to Settings Support Device Care Self-Diagnosis Picture Test. Make sure your input source is sending content in Full HD or 4K, not lower. If you're using a low-res input like an old cable box, the TV will stretch the image, making it blurry. Method 4. Check HDMI cable and port. Use a high-speed HDMI cable, especially for 4K content. Try switching to a different HDMI port on your Samsung TV. A damaged or low-quality cable can cause display issues. Method 5. Update the TV firmware. Go to Settings Support Software Update now. If an update is available, install it. New updates often fix bugs, including display or resolution glitches. If it's still blurry, try a factory reset. Go to Settings General Reset and enter your PIN. Default is 0000. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear up your screen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more Samsung TV tutorials.